So, hello and welcome back, and today we're gonna cover taking apart the knob on Ford Fiesta MK8, and this one is an STLine. So yeah, and should be pretty much easy to take it. Just need to turn it around. Just need to turn it on the left side. It's kind of harder than it should be, but with 6-speed it's a bit different than with 5-speed ones. So you just turn it around till the end until it goes up. So there is lots of, as you can see, you can turn it around a lot. So yeah, this is how you take the knob out, and this all around this trim should be easier, just like this, to click it out. Yeah, so, and take it out. So I hope this helped. So as you can see here, and the same way to take in, take out. So it's just click in like that, and you take your knob back and screw it around, so till the full circle. So I hope this helped, because these do kind of get bad, especially when it's leather here, and there is some other that you would like to replace these things. So yeah, I hope this helped. As I said before, use plastic. Before I used screwdriver, and look at this one is kinda really in really good shape. So the leather is good, the stitching, it's really nice. So yeah, that's about that. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and I hope I can see you guys in the next one. So this we will continue removing all the stuff that you need to remove, so you can access the airbag. So that's something, the end goal, because I never made a video how to remove the dashboard, full dashboard. So yeah, we will try to do our best. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one.